Hey guys, welcome back to the Project DIY channel. On today's project, we're going to check out a new bed mat for my 2024 Tacoma. Let's get started. So Lasfit sent me over this truck bed liner, a mat to protect your bed from scratches and dirt and stuff like that. Now truck owners are kind of in a conundrum. You got a nice truck, but you want to use it, but you don't want to scratch up your bed. Pulling stuff in and out of your bed can leave scratches. And even if you have a coated bed like I do, you'll still leave scratches in it. And if it goes all the way to the metal, you're going to end up with rust and just a bad looking truck bed. So it's good to have a bed mat to put in here to protect the bottom of your bed. Now us Toyota Tacoma owners don't have to worry about that a whole lot because we have composite beds. All the inside of the beds on the Tacomas are composite, plastic basically, so they don't rust. Your Lasfit truck bed liner is going to come folded up in a box. So it's going to have some creases and stuff in it. So the best thing to do is to lay it out in the sun and let the sun heat it up and soften it up, and that'll lay back out flat. I'm just going to go ahead and put mine in, leave my bed cover open. That way the sun can shine on it and straighten it out that way. This is an easy install. You just throw it in there, push down the edges, and it lays right out. These have already been cut to fit your bed, and the fit on these is really good. These are nice bed liners. The Lasfit bed liners are molded to the shape of your truck bed, just like the OEM bed mats, and they fit just as well as an OEM Toyota bed mat. They're also made of a TPU material and not quite plastic, not quite rubber, somewhere in between. Very tough. You're not going to be able to tear these up easily. They're easy to clean. You simply take a hose and hose them off, or you can take them out and pressure wash them. Now I'll put a link in the description of this video to the Lasfit website, and also make sure you use that code PDIY at checkout, and you'll get yourself a 15% discount. So if you want to protect your bed from scratches and scuffs, I can think of no better way to do that than a Lasfit liner. Appreciate you guys watching. Go down in that comment section and let me know what you think of this. Let me know if you already have one, what kind of service you've had out of yours, and hit that like button, and also make sure you subscribe so you don't miss any of my 2024 Tacoma content. Thanks again, guys, for watching. I'll see you on the next one.